Hello students, today we'll do exercise 1.1 question number 8. So here the adjoint of A is given, you have to find the matrix A. Adjoint is given, we have to find the matrix A. So you already learned the formula. A is equal to plus or minus 1 by root of determinant of adjoint of A into adjoint of A. So we have to find two things here. First we have to find the determinant of this matrix, adjoint of A matrix. Then we have to find the adjoint of this matrix. These two things we have to find. So let us first find the determinant of adjoint of A. So determinant of adjoint of the matrix A, that is 2 into 24 minus of minus 4 will become plus 4. Okay, you are taking the first row, 2 into 24 minus 4 will become plus 4. Okay, the sign will change here. Plus 4 into minus 6 minus 6 minus of plus 14. So that is minus 14 plus 2 into 0 minus of minus 24, that will become plus 24. So we get that is equal to 48 minus 80 plus 48. So it is equal to 96 minus 80, that is 16. So root of, we have to find the root of determinant of adjoint of A, that is root of 16, that is plus or minus 4. Now we have to find the adjoint of the matrix adjoint A. Okay, that means we have to find the adjoint of the matrix. This is the matrix. Adjoint of A matrix is 2 minus 4 2 minus 3 12 minus 7 minus 2 0 2. So I have just written this matrix. This matrix I have written it here because there is the adjoint of A matrix. This adjoint we have to find. So we have to find the cofactor of this. Okay. So let us find the cofactor matrix and then take the transpose. So it is equal to, let us find the cofactor matrix. So the cofactor of each and every element we have to find. So cofactor of 2 is 24. 12 into 2, 24. Cofactor of this will be minus 6 plus 20. So that is equal to minus, this is minus 4 will become minus 6 because minus 4 is here. Its cofactor is minus 6 minus 20, and already you have a minus sign, so this will become 20. Cofactor of 2 will be plus 24. Cofactor of the next element is 8. Next is 8. Next element is also 8. I think you all know how to find. Cofactor of this element is, cut this row, cut this column, minus 8, but this position has a minus, become plus. Cofactor of 12 is 2 into 2, 4. Minus of minus become plus 4, that is 8. Then minus 7 is 0 plus 8. Okay, minus plus 8 minus of that plus 8 become minus 8. Again this position, you know, these places we have to change the sign. Okay, you know, these places you have to change the sign. Okay, that's why becoming plus 8, become plus 8. Similarly minus 2, the cofactor of minus 2 is this row and this column you cut it. 28 minus 24, that is equal to 4. Then cofactor of 0 is minus 14 plus 6, that is 8, but again the position you have to change the sign, so become plus 8. And the next one is 12. How it is 12? 24 plus 12, 24 plus minus of plus 12, that become 12. That is a cofactor. So the adjoint of this matrix, the adjoint is the transpose of this. So the adjoint is the transpose of the cofactor matrix. Okay, that means it will be the transpose of this, that is 24. First column will become first row, second column 28 8, third column 24 8 12. So this is the adjoint of the matrix. So we have found adjoint of A. Okay, adjoint of A is equal to this 24 8 4 28 8 24 8 12. Now we have to find, the question is find A matrix. So A matrix is plus or minus 1 by root of determinant of adjoint of A into adjoint of A. So already we found all this, plus or minus 1 by 4 into this matrix, that is 24 8 4 20 8 8 24 8 12. So you have a divisor of, that is 1 by 4, you have divided all the elements, so that will give you plus or minus. So what do you get now? 24 by 4 6 2 1 5 2 2 6 2 and 3. So this is the adjoint matrix. The adjoint matrix is given. We found the matrix A, 6 2 1 5 2 2 and 6 2 3. Hence we found the matrix A. Thank you.